I want to circle back to design, but John, I wanted to bring back something we kind of briefly touched on. So in the manufacturing part of it, like again, going through this, I'm seeing like you have robotics happening, obviously the machines working, the machining systems working. When there's a new design that comes in, I would imagine like some of these machines that I'm seeing on your floor, they're actually programmed. So like programming needs to change. Like what goes into actually, like you said, 1 to 2 days. If you get an order and somebody needs like something very specific to them, how much of a shift is that from a production standpoint and actually integrating that into a workflow?
Look, that's the challenge of the job, I guess. We do take on different parts every day. We've always got some capacity to allow us to do that. But that's kind of what makes the job interesting as well. If you were just doing the same set routine day in, day out, and you've known what you're going to be doing for the last 3 months, it'd get kind of dull, I guess. So it keeps you on your toes. But yeah, we've got a team of programmers ready to write programs and adjusting programs, that sort of thing, for new parts coming through. And we've got a really high-skilled team of machinists out there ready for new parts or standard parts, ready to run another run of them, another batch of them. So, we can be pretty flexible.
When that design comes through, does the client provide the need and then you provide the design, or are they coming to you sometimes and saying, well, like you're saying about this airflow, it needs to be on the top or the bottom. They're specifying that, or they're saying we need airflow, this is the setup, and then you're identifying that? Like how does the design part work that then leads into the production? I don't know who should start with that one, but
yeah, it's sort of a combination. But most of the times they tell us what they need, and we basically give a solution or work around that. So most of the time we get the feedback that what's needed, and we design the stages and design the tool to basically does that sort of operation, or what covers what they need. And then obviously it goes to production to take it forward. Yeah.
Another side of the customization, and we put a lot of research and development into it over the last few years, is the elastomers that we use for high temp applications and high pressure applications. I guess that's, Soroush was talking about different tool parts and different tool configurations, different capability. But the Packer element itself has had a lot of changes over the last 5 years or so. We've really made up some ground, and we're, I guess, leading the industry in that area, which gives us a great competitive advantage.